Hi guys, that was really high pitched. I thought I would just do a get ready with me today because I feel like I haven't done one in a little while and I have some new things. Not like a bunch of new things, but like a few. Felt like filming. I haven't worn makeup in probably almost 2 weeks now and I was just like in the mood, so we're gonna do that. I just sprayed my face with this, which is literally my best friend. It's amazing if you have dry skin. And now I'm gonna go in with the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint because this is like my holy grail at the moment. So you could put this on the back of your hand, but like I like doing what they do in the thing on the website. They kind of drew cat ears, a little dot, and some whiskers. Like, look how cute. And then I just rub it in with my hands, real old-fashioned there, and cut my hair, and now this stupid piece won't stay behind my ears. I know it doesn't look like I got all that much coverage, and like I didn't, but I like it because it didn't give me that much coverage. I don't like the feeling of makeup on my skin, and this literally feels like absolutely nothing, which I love. And then I do take a little on my hand, just a tiny, like 1 drop, and use my finger to pop over any redder areas. Like I'm gonna use the what's it called, stretch concealer from Glossier as well, because it's the only concealer I can use that doesn't dry me out or like cakey. Stretch concealer, this stuff is amazing. I even got one for my mom, she's obsessed with it. Like, just look at the difference of my eyes, like with that. Like, that's not a lot of product, and it just feels so creamy and emollient. It just doesn't get cakey or creasy. It's great for like wrinkles as well. Sometimes I will take my beauty blender, but it's not damp right now, and just kind of like go over my whole face just a little bit to like make sure everything is perfectly blended. That might be a little bit too dark for me, that skin tint shade. I mean, I think I got the shade medium, right? That's because I have medium in the concealer and they are clearly a little bit dark for me. I would go light, but it's about to be summer, so. Okay, next up, I was gonna use this eye primer I recently got from NYX. It's the HD eyeshadow base, and I actually like it. And like you guys know, for me, an eyeshadow primer is like garbage because nothing works for me ever. But that actually didn't crease. But I got this and I wanted to try it. I put this in my Sephora haul. Darn, here comes the Mercier Vanilla Kiss Caviar Stick. It's just like a matte cream. Little tiny pencil. There's not much product in here, but I haven't used this yet. And I wanted to see how it works because there was something like this from MAC years ago that I just really, really liked. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Like, are you supposed to do full color? Is this like a primer? I couldn't tell you. But it feels nice going on. It's really creamy, but sometimes when you blend something out like this, it can feel really like emollient. Too much for an eyeshadow primer. Not bad. My brows. I'm gonna use my regular old Milani Brow Fix Brow Kit, which sadly I believe they're discontinuing. I don't know what I'm gonna do. This is my favorite thing in the world. I'm obsessed with this. I'm pretty sure they're discontinuing it because I can't find it at my normal store. I couldn't find it at Target. So if you know where I can get this, like, I'm gonna buy a bunch of them. I'm just so bummed because I remember last time I got it, it was on clearance for like $4 and normally it's around $6.99. I thought maybe they were like repackaging it or something. I think it's being discontinued, which is crazy because literally everything you would ever need for your brows is in here. When I went to the store to buy it, usually there's only like 1 left. And sometimes it wasn't even my shade. So like, I feel like people were definitely buying it, so I really hope they're only like repackaging it and still putting all the same things in it because this powder is amazing. I'm gonna use Boy Brow naturally. You guys know this by now. Oh my god, there's an eyelash. There's something wrong with me. I think it's maybe just cat hair. Like, when you have 3 cats, you can't escape it. Like, I can't wear black. Throughout the night, like, I put lip balm on before I go to sleep and I wake up and have like little cat hairs around my mouth. I definitely have eaten like way too many cat hairs probably. They're everywhere. They're in my eyes. Like, pretty much when you have this many cats, you just kind of have to live with the fact that cat hair is now like part of your person. Okay, this is just the clear one, FYI. I literally have both the brown and the clear of the Boy Brown. I just like, they're next to each other and I grab whichever one I grab. So I am gonna go in with this, which isn't new, the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air. So this is like my favorite at the moment. But I did get some stuff from Fenty Beauty in my Sephora haul, and one was this gorgeous highlighter. Oh my god, look at that. It's so gorgeous, I want to barf. It's called Hoola Baby, the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. I feel wrong saying Hoola Baby, like someone like me just can't pull that off. Oh my god, guys. Do you see that shine? Now this is way too gold for my skin tone. Look at that, it's way too much. So what I'm gonna do is use it as a highlighter. No, as an eyeshadow. Oh my god, what is wrong with me? Okay, so I'm just gonna use my finger. Oh my god, this is so reflective and crazy pretty. Ah! I'm gonna use my finger. I just prefer that when I'm applying. Whoa. Whoa. Literally, guys, if you were looking for this highlighter and like you have a deep enough skin tone that'll look good on you, holy moly. I should have gave this to my friend for her birthday because this will look gorgeous on her. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll just give it to her anyway because like it's pretty, but like still it's even kind of dark for an eyeshadow for me, to be honest. I'm gonna use this most boring brown color. When it comes to eyeshadow, I'm like the most boring person in the world. Also, I want to point out, so this palette, this shade right here, the gold, to be honest, you know how Wet n Wild used to have the best shimmers? Since they repackaged these palettes, the mattes are better than the shimmers. But this is very similar to that. This one's only like crazy, like look at that one, not very crazy. This one's amazing. So like, whoa, like if you wanted a really bad dupe for this, it's in here. But this is obviously gorgeous. And I'm not just saying that because it's Fenty Beauty, like actually this is amazing. Just looking at it on my hand, like it is glorious. And like the texture, everything of it is just so nice. What am I doing now? I'm gonna take a flat brush in that same color because I'm the most boring person in the world. I'm gonna build that brown up because like I want you guys to be able to see it. Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna do for my eyes. I'm not even gonna do an powder liner on my upper lash line because I don't feel like it. Now my nose is all red from blowing it. Allergies, awesome. Should we do mascara first? Yeah. I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation. You guys know at the moment this is just my favorite. I've curled my eyelashes for like 100 years because my eyelashes suck. Should be my theme song. My eyelashes suck so much. I live on mascara and such. Wow. And I'm not a professional songwriter, can you believe it? I'm so lazy when it comes to mascara, like for someone who's so particular. I like think I want something so good because I don't like sitting here and like applying coat after coat after coat. I'd rather just have it go on, one coat, be done. Like for someone who loves makeup so much and like watches way too much makeup videos on YouTube. I don't actually wear makeup that often and I don't like the feeling of makeup. Like I'm a very low maintenance person actually. I think that's why I like Glossier so much when it comes to makeup because it's so low maintenance. Damn! That's one thing about this mascara, it always gets on my nose. Oh yeah, Glossier, like they're just so low maintenance and like their makeup is so lightweight. It just makes life so much easier. I have a new bronzer, but I'm gonna go in with cream products first because I know you're not supposed to put powder on top, powder underneath. Cream. So the first product I'm using is not new. It's Glossier Cloud Paint Dusk. This is so dirty. That's what happens when any makeup packaging is white. But let's put some of this on. Now we're going to do another cream and then we're going to do the powder lot. So the cream I have, it's the Glossier Haloscope in Quartz, which is the medium shade. They have like a cool, a gold, and this is like the champagne, I guess you can call it. There's not much product in here. I showed you that in my haul recently. But it's really cool and creamy, and instead of drawing a line on my face because that just seems weird, I'm just going to take my finger and just rub around. Ooh. I think this is so pretty and subtle. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Isn't that pretty? What? Actually just looks like dewy. This is actually like it has that little thing in the middle. It's like moisturizing. Guys, I'm loving this. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. If you don't know, that's the tagline song for McDonald's. Hoola bronzer from Benefit. This is a mini one I got. Again, showed you my Sephora haul. It does come with a brush, which is adorable. I'm keeping it because it's the cutest thing in the world, but it feels like straw. This shade is looking dark. Interesting. So we're going to try it for the first time today. Taking this brush from e.l.f. I couldn't find a better one. Let's give it a go. Oh! Ooh, that's pigmented. Let's dust some of that off. And this brush is way softer than I thought it would be. I actually really like that a lot. I don't know if it's coming off on camera. And then I'm going to squeeze the brush down. Contour my nose. I think this shade might be a little bit dark for me. It definitely is, but I think the light one just looks so light. The highlight is really something. Okay, now lips, I have two products I want to show you. One I've already used, so I'm not going to actually use that. Buxom Full On Lip Cream in White Russian. I'm loving this. I definitely want to get a deeper shade eventually, like a year from now. I really like the product in here. Like, this shade is a little bit light for me, but there's like a deeper shade. I can't remember what it's called, but they do make a deeper shade of it, and I definitely want to get that eventually at some point. But what I wanted to use today was the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I did try it at some point, but I haven't actually worn it, and I really want to. It smells really good, and this is a really good size. Like, to be honest, I talked about it in my Sephora haul, but these two products together were a really good price, and I'm really excited to try this out. feels so good. It actually has a pretty decent amount of color. Like, do you see that? And it doesn't feel sticky. It just feels so moisturizing. Oh, it's nice. And that's a pretty color. I even think it looks good on me. What do you guys think? I'm liking it. I actually am really liking it a lot. So I'm loving how this feels on my lips. Like, honestly, it's like butter. I love the highlight too. I can't believe I actually like it that much. I think it just looks so like I look dewy. I don't look highlighted. That's it for this video. I don't know if it was a get ready with me. It was like so random, but I just wanted to talk to you about some new stuff. And I hope you guys liked everything. And give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to see more from me. And I'll see you next time. Bye.